Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring safety and removing stored energy. Unplug the compressor, open the drain valve, and bleed the gun until it reads 0 psi. Once done, make sure you have the right tools laid out: adjustable wrench, Allen keys, needle nose pliers, replacement O-rings, and thread sealant. You should inspect the external fittings and quick connect for obvious damage now, because catching a broken fitting early saves time. Work in a ventilated, well-lit area, and wear eye protection and gloves while proceeding. You photograph the assembly for reassembly reference, then loosen fittings in a methodical order to avoid losing small parts. Once you remove the nozzle, air cap, and needle, examine each O-ring and seal for cuts, swelling, or hardened rubber. Replace any compromised seals. You should probe internal passages for paint buildup or debris. Blow compressed air through ports and use a soft bristle brush to dislodge stubborn clogs. If the needle is bent or the nozzle worn, swap them to restore spray pattern and pressure consistency. You reassemble using a fresh O-ring on each seat, lightly lubricated, and apply thread sealant where metal threads meet. Tighten fittings to hand plus quarter turn or specified torque. Once reassembled, reconnect the compressor and run a low-pressure test to check for leaks, watching joints and seals with soapy water. Then gradually raise pressure and test spray, adjusting needle tension and air-to-material settings to dial in pattern and flow. If you still get leaks or sputtering, isolate the block, inspect the feed line, and regulate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.